Oh, hey! I'm going on a hike today. I've been wanting to do this for a while, months, if we're being honest, but especially the last few days, I've just been feeling antsy, feeling cooped up, as I know so many of us are feeling right now, and just like my routine is the same every day. So today I thought, let's just go on a hike. So I went on the app All Trails and I searched up hikes near my house. This one's an hour away. It's supposed to be really popular. And yeah, let's do it. I'm really excited. Okay, you guys, so I picked this trail because I heard it was popular. I didn't realize just how popular it is. I don't know if you're seeing this line of cars going out at the parking lot, but whoo! Okay, so the hike starts a little early for me. It starts back here after all these cars. Oh my gosh. This is what I signed up for. So, like I said, the hike begins a bit early for me. Just trekking it in past these cars. This is a sign though, I know this hike is gonna be worth it. We've come across this teepee of sorts right at the crossroads. Obviously we have to go in. Naturally. How fun is this? Someone just built this. And we continue on the trail. It's just getting better and better. It's very much cliffside, as you can see. But I mean, this trail is just stunning. Wow. I wonder how they made this trail. Look at that. Now you can really see the whole river. I need to be swimming down there somewhere very soon. Are you joking me right now? Is this a joke? Is this a prank? So in California, the state flower is the poppy, the golden poppy. And it's actually illegal to pick them because they are the state flower. And as you can see, they're covering this mountainside and they're so beautiful. These trails, the fact that they're here is incredible. And this experience is like getting to be a part of a mountain. Just I've always looked up at the hills and the mountains when I'm driving and wondered what it would be like to, you know, walk to the top of one of them or just to be on them, and this is that experience. It's incredible. It's really like so much more than I could have ever imagined this walk would be. I don't know if you guys can hear me over this water, but I did it. I made it to the river. Wow. Okay, so I just finished up resting down by the river, and it was so loud down there. I was right by the current that I couldn't really record down there, but had my snack, and I laid out on this flat rock, and I read a little bit, and I swear I could have fallen asleep for like hours. But I see the sun's position in the sky. It's probably got to be around like 2, maybe 1. And I can feel how tired my body already is from that first leg. So it continues on, the trail continues on way past this water point. But I think I'm good to go. And I still have a very long ways to walk back. So I figured instead of falling asleep by the river, which would have been lovely, I didn't want to risk waking up at nightfall and having to walk back like 7 miles, probably more than that. So let's get into it. Walk back. Also on today's episode of Naked and Afraid, I, without thinking, chugged the majority of my water bottle on the way here. So that's how much I have left for the way back. Nice! I did eat all my fruit and all my snacks, so I'm hoping the fruit gave me some water content. Otherwise, we're rationing. On the way there, I was like, this is beautiful. Oh my God, I can't believe it. On the way back, I'm like, just sweating my ass off. But still, I recommend this trail. If you come, definitely bring a lot of water. Bring a camelback, probably. Bring snacks. This trail's no joke, but it is gorgeous. And I think we're about halfway back, maybe. Turns out the entire way back is uphill. The whole thing. And I got lost. But I think I'm found now. Whew, I hope so. I really hope so. Stevens Trail. There's the sign right there. Okay, great. So, great. I'm not lost. We love that. Never have I been more happy to hear the sounds of traffic than this moment. I'm almost done. You guys, no joke. This trail's no joke. As I said, the way back, all uphill. All uphill. Yeah! As you can see, I'm one of the last men standing. No more line of cars. Everybody left, except for me. Almost to the car now. Ah, what a day. Never have I been so happy to see my car. Oh, we made it. We made it, we did it. Oh, we did it. I am dripping in sweat. Normally I don't like Starbucks, I don't like their coffee, but a green tea lemonade right now, whoo! I'm not gonna lie, I've been daydreaming about that the entire hike. So let's go get a green tea lemonade right now. Got my drink. Yummy. Let me take the straw. Look at the little bits, little dragon fruit bits. It is a venti iced green tea lemonade with dragon fruit bits in it, I guess. It's a pretty color. Refreshing. If you want kind of a tangy, yummy drink, this is a good one. Ooh, it kind of tastes like black tea, I'm gonna be honest. Like an iced black tea. Oh, and I'm fighting the urge to get some food out somewhere, because I kind of want a vegan pizza right now. Yummy. I don't know what's in the area, and I have leftovers at home, so I feel bad about eating out. I'll let you know if I get it. You guys are cracked. I got pizza. Pyology! I really like Pyology because, scoot the seat back, Have an in-car dining moment. Got my napkins here. I really like Paology because they make vegan pizzas if you want them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tries not to dump out the whole pizza. Ah! Almost dumped it. You could see it. You get it. You know what a pizza is. Oh my gosh. Itadakimasu. For those of you wondering, that is the blessing of sorts you say before a meal in Japan. And I'm moving to Japan, so I'm trying to get in the swing of things. Itadakimasu. Look at that beautiful baby. Ooh-wee. Mmm. Mmm. So good. And that concludes a wonderful day hiking, almost getting lost, getting pizza, getting Starbucks, which is now just a huge cup of ice, and having a wonderful time in nature. I want to do more stuff like this. I want to do more stuff like this so that I can do more vlogs like this. So I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.